traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I'm pretty confident this is definitely still a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. If you've been watching my videos now, you know that I've been really trying to emphasize that a wave 3 can go much further than you would expect. We're actually pushing beyond the 178.6. Wave 3s can go to the 261.8 and beyond, so at some point I do think it needs to pull back and make a big wave 4 and a wave 5, but this is the monthly time frame. We don't know when this wave 4 is going to start. This wave 4 could literally start in 6 months from now for all we know. So definitely still very bullish. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this last wave right here is almost stretching out to the point where I really don't even think it's a wave 5 anymore. Usually wave 5s cannot be bigger than wave 3, so even if this does start a bigger pullback, I think at this point it's going to have to be the wave 4 and it's going to have to be a wave 5 subdivision. So definitely no reason to think this wave 3 is over yet. So taking it down to the daily time frame. I mean, I know it's hard to keep buying when the market's in all-time highs, but I mean, if you've been buying at all-time highs for the past several weeks, several months, you probably have seen some dramatic increases in your trading account. And I definitely on the daily, weekly, and monthly, I see no reason at all to think that this trend is over. I think it's a wave 3 trend, and I do not see any reason at all to say that the trend is over yet. Going down to the 4-hour time frame. So literally the 4-hour time frame is in an uptrend. There's no breaker structure, there's no lower high, no significant Fibonacci bounce. The daily, the weekly, and the monthly are all in uptrends also. So the last thing you want to do is go to the 1 hour time frame and below and think that you need to go short. Yes, we're at all-time highs, but that doesn't mean anything to me. And like I was explaining on the daily time frame, the fact that this last wave is so stretched out means that it's probably not even a wave 5 of wave 3 yet. It's probably still the wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have a little bit of a breaker structure to the downside on the 1 hour. So what does that tell me? That tells me that most likely this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up is complete. But this is the only time frame that has a complete pattern. And if anything, this move down that we're seeing is very likely only a correction to this last 5 waves up. So I would be watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. I would like to see a 3-wave pullback, something like this. But we do have to be cautious because this honestly could literally bounce off any one of these Fibonacci levels, making a huge impulsive move up and just continue the uptrend. So I definitely think you need to be very cautious about sorting it. Every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, most likely a wave 3 of wave 3 still. The trend is your friend. The last thing you want to do is go down to these sort of time frames and try to go short. If you was this hyper focused on going long, every single pullback you see for the past several weeks, you would have seen some dramatic increases in your trading account. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.